Next concept, nature of the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If a comma b comma c are real and the first point, discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. So distinct means we will get the separate roots, that is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, and 1 minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Second point, discriminant equal to 0. So, what is the discriminant? Already in previous classes we discussed, right? Discriminant delta, right? So, that is nothing but b square minus 4ac. Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. If you find b square minus 4ac value, that value is greater than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation is real and distinct, right? In similar way, if you find delta b square minus 4ac value that is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So that means obtained two roots are real and equal, means roots are coincides. That is minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. And third point, if discriminant is less than 0, means b square minus 4ac value less than 0, then the roots are unequal and imaginary. That means we didn't get any real roots. If you observe the first point, roots are real. If you observe the second point, roots are real. So, when the points are real, when the quadratic equation getting real, discriminant is greater than 0 and as well as the discriminant is equal to 0, we get quadratic equation or real roots. So that's why, what is our note point here? Clearly, roots are real. We must have a discriminant value is greater than or equal to 0. Discriminant is also denoted as capital D. So, D is greater than or equal to 0. Please have a look.